Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the ways to download Forza Horizon 4 on mobile phone. So in order to download and play Forza Horizon 4 on Android phone, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to download the gaming app, that is Cheeky. So for that, open up your Play Store. On the search box, go ahead and type in Cheeky. Now go ahead and install the application. While the application is installing, then open up a new tab and type in Tomato VPN and install the following VPN as well. Once both of these applications are installed, exit out and then go ahead and open up or log in into your Cheeky account. Then go ahead and create your account. In my case, I happen to already create my account, and when you're done creating your account, you have to exit out from the page and then go ahead and open up your Tomato. Go ahead and make sure to enable the VPN. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and exit out of the VPN and then open up your Cheeky application. First of all, make sure to tap or toggle the button for game, and on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Forza Horizon 4. And when you locate the following game, now you could go ahead and click on the play button and start playing the game. So in this way, you can download Forza Horizon 4 on mobile phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.